Let's turn our focus now to the education sector. The Employment and Labour Relations Court has temporarily stopped the nationwide strike by the Kenya Union of Post-Primary Education Teachers, KUPPET, pending the determination of a case filed by the Teachers Service Commission on Monday. The court's action comes as the strike marked its second day, with teachers from parts of the country who took on their colleagues who attempted to defy the strike and teach. Here's Brenda Wanga with that report.
On the second day of the KUPPET strike, and secondary school teachers picked up from where they left on Monday. They remained resolute that no learning would take place in schools. At the Machakos Girls High School, angry KUPPET members had purposed to invade the school when they heard that some of their counterparts were defying the strike action and had reported on duty. Students who had already reported watched the unfolding scenes.
Teachers are out there making demands which are legal, why then some teachers were in class. And in particular, we are concerned about the principal who is there because of intimidating teachers. And therefore, we had to get into the compound. We got in, and surprisingly, the teachers disappeared into thin air. They heard that KUPPET was coming, and they decided to disappear. And therefore, we gave our grievances. We said what we wanted, and we said that we do not want any form of teaching to go on from today henceforth.
At the Machakos Township Secondary School, KUPPET officials accessed the school and the staff room, but found that the teachers had already fled the school, and here, students had also reported for the start of the third term and walked right into the confrontation between their teachers and the government. In Busia County, the determination to disrupt learning for schools opening there was equally evident. Teachers stormed Kolanya Boys and Kolanya Girls High Schools to enforce the strike. From the administration block to the dormitories, the teachers swept through, ensuring that not one teacher was on duty. The students who were reporting to the two schools could only watch in awe as their teachers outlined their grievances.
Tumechoka kama walimu, tunaomba tume ya walimu iache madharau. CBA ilikuwa ni maelewano, na maelewano lazima yatimizwe.
In Kisii County, teachers took issue with their colleagues who had shown up to some schools to teach. The striking teachers were kept at bay by the heavy presence of police at select schools who were keen to protect the students already in school, while other students and their parents took the cautious routes and played the wait-and-see game.
Kwa idadi ilio chini sana, tunaogofea hata kama sisi wasasi kama watoto watafika shule wasikutane na walimu warudi.
Lakini vile nimeona kwa leo, kuna ile kitu walikuwa wanasema eti ni mgomo. Naona wanafunzi hawajakuja vile walikuwa wanakuja hapo kitambo. Kuna upungufu kiasi, maana kuna uoga. Kama jana niliona mgomo ukiwa town hapa, walimu wakipiga kelele hapa na pale. Hata waliingia mashule mengine wakaanza kufukuza walimu kutoka pale.
Sababu kuna wale wajana, siku ya jana ilikuwa Monday, ndiye ambao ilikuwa watu wa form 3 na form 4 waingie, lakini walimu walikuwa na maandamano yao Kisii na kila sehemu ya Kisii County. Kwa hivyo hawakuwa wanafunzi pia wakakuwa na hofu kuwa hata wakiingia hawangepata wa kuwahudumia.
The teachers continued with their strike that was called to agitate for the betterment of their welfare, as the Employment and Labour Court in the capital Nairobi ordered that the union stops their industrial action pending the determination of a case filed by the Teachers Service Commission challenging the union. The court orders come as the union was set to meet the Ministry of Labour's mediation team on Wednesday for further engagement by both parties to resolve the teachers' grievances. In the standoff that continues as the teachers dig in for the long fight, students remain caught in the middle. Some of them have reported to schools, while others are still unsure of their next move. The teachers have insisted that the students stay at home until the strike is resolved, where the government has assured parents to present their children for learning. Brenda Wanga, Citizen.